So, what is your problem?
Problem?
I mean, why have you come over here?
Oh, I see. Actually, the thing is, since 2 days over here, I've got a serious stomach pain.
Uh, any problem in menstruation cycle?
No. Actually, it's been done last week itself.
Okay. Lie down over there. I will check and tell you what's the problem.
Hmm. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Hmm.
And what's your name?
Anjali.
Okay. Anjali, what is the problem exactly?
Here, over here, it's paining badly in my belly button.
Okay. Here?
Not here. Over there.
Over here?
No, not here. Over there.
Here?
No. Over here.
Do you have any problem in motion?
It's normal.
Do you do some sort of exercise?
Oh, yeah. I just started doing yoga 2 days ago. Maybe because of that?
Yes, exactly. Because you have started doing yoga, your muscles have stretched.
Oh, God. That's what I was thinking. I haven't done anything, and still, what's wrong with me? Thank you so much, doctor. All this has happened because of doing excessive yoga.
And by the way, what is your
Huh?
age? You shouldn't hide anything from the doctor.
And I don't even like to hide anything. 35.
What?
My age.
You don't seem like 35. There's no problem. Carry on with the yoga.
Yeah.
Yes, but in the beginning, don't do it excessively.
Sure. And anyways, everything new should have a slow start. Too much of hustle will cause the same thing, right? Pain all over the body?
I will write down a ointment for you.
And where should I apply the ointment?
Of course, on the stomach.
Oh, I thought all over the body. How much?
What?
Your fees.
Let it be. Now, what will I charge you for ointment?
Other doctor do charge hefty fees for just a visit. And you?
Actually, I don't like to loot my patients.
Even if you loot me, I still don't have any problem. Well, the thing is, I have lots of money.
Oh,
I mean to say, with my husband.
that means you are married.
Oh, actually, the wedding necklace was not going with this dress, so I didn't wear it. By the way, you had to wait so much because of me.
Hey, it's okay, not a problem. And anyways, doctor has to be on duty all day and night. Got that?
Oh, it's good that you informed me that. In case if I need your help in the night, I'll give you a call.
Of course, anytime.
Bye, doctor. By the way, are you writing down
What?
the medicine?
Yeah. Take this and show
Thank
this in
you.
any medical store.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Sonu,
What happened, doctor?
is there any patient outside?
No, sir. Now, how would I know for which patient are you waiting?
Hey, that who came in the night? What was her name? Anjali. Do you know her?
It was who you checked her. Then how could I know her?
Yes, but she belongs to your village and your village is so small.
No, sir. this village is not that small that I will know every woman around here.
But wasn't she from this
A
village?
lot of city people have invested in this land recently since they got to know that there is going to be a huge factory in this area.
You really are of no use.
I have a plan. Next time when she comes here, I will follow her back to her home on my bicycle and then I will tell you.
So?
Then keep it on.
Go do your work.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Scolds me every time.
Was Soham playing prank on me? He woke me up so early in the morning. I can't find her anywhere. She didn't even recognize me.
Excuse me?
Uh,
Dr. Viraj. Hey, you didn't recognize me.
Miss Anjali.
Yes, Mrs. Anjali Gupta.
Yeah. But what, you,
I come every day over here for jogging, but I saw you for the first time.
Actually, I get very tired in the clinic, so I came here to get some fresh air.
Okay. By the way, how's your practice going on?
Well, it's actually going good. Anyways, how is the pain in your stomach now?
Absolutely fine. The ointment was effective. By the way, you have great knowledge about pain of females. You should have been a gynecologist.
Okay, leave all that and tell me, Anjali, do you stay here close by?
Yeah, I stay down there in the bungalow number. Just a minute, please. Yes, darling. Yeah, I did too much of jogging today. Yeah, I'll just be there. By the way, doctor, I shouldn't say this, but a doctor is a person whom we never say see you once again.
But to me, you can say.
Okay, see you again. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye. Hello?
Hello, doctor. It's me, Anjali.
Yeah, hi Anjali, say.
Doctor, suddenly something has happened to my husband. Can you please come to my home?
Okay, don't worry. I'll come there right away. You don't need to say please. Yes, okay. Somu!
I am standing right behind you.
Yes, so please do some work. Okay, do one thing. I have to go for an emergency visit. So you have to handle everything here.
Yes, okay, sir. I know that. In which emergency are you going to be busy? I will handle everything here and you handle everything there.
You just do one thing. You handle the patients. I'll see the rest of it. And do some work as well.
Okay, doctor.
Please come inside, doctor. Mohan, the doctor is here. Doctor, he has asthma. And we can't find the asthma pump. Maybe that's why he got an attack.
Hey, doctor. Please do something. Not here. Wait, let me turn. Okay, so I have given him the injection, but you
Okay.
should keep some extra pumps with you.
Doctor, not just one, but we have 4 pumps at home. But we can't find it at the right time. And he has a very bad habit. He just throws the pump anywhere. Anyways, you please sit. I'll get you a tea.
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks a lot for your help, doctor. It seems like this asthma is going to take my life. Are you new over here?
Yes, it's been 6 months. I purchased a property for 3 crores. Government plants are getting built. The price of the land will rise.
Projects?
Yes, power project, airport, and a lot of chemical plants are coming. That's why I invested.
Okay, sir, I should leave now.
Anjali, can you clear doctor's payment?
No, actually, there's no need of that.
Why? What have you planned? Are you after my wife?
Uh,
Anjali, clear his payment.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Listen.
Do online transaction, don't give cash. You can go. Doctor, it's been 4 days since you're staring at your phone. Who will see the patients? I think that you should call Anjali and check for yourself. And anyways, now you have the address of the place where Anjali stays. So go and have a cup of tea over there. Who can ever stop you?
do one thing, go back home. I will close the dispensary while going.
Okay, doctor. After closing the dispensary, go back to your home. Don't go anywhere else. Okay?
Hmm.
Good night.
Hello? Yes? Which location? Okay, I'll be there. What happened, Anjali?
Nothing.
There is definitely something. Is it anything about Mohan?
It's not about him. It's me.
What is it? Come on, tell me.
I can't tolerate this torture anymore.
Torture? What sort of torture?
Mohan. Whenever he comes home drunk, he hits me badly. And today he seriously...
Listen, Anjali, please stop crying and tell me what the thing is exactly.
I am 10 years younger than Mohan. That's why he always keeps on doubting on me. Today I just went to the market to buy few things. While coming home I got little late. So he felt that I am cheating on him. Then what? Under the influence of alcohol, he started hitting me badly. See this. See, look at these scars. Can't you see them?
I thought that he was a good person, but that proved to be wrong. Why don't you leave him for good?
I can't leave him.
Why?
He has done a lot of favor on my family.
You should inform to the police once. Once the police teaches him a lesson, he will get straight.
It's just a family matter. I don't want to involve the cops.
So should I talk to him?
Have you gone mad? He will start thinking that we both are having an affair. And he will make my life more hell.
But what if he knows that I have come over here?
He's drunk and passed out. And he won't be waking up till morning. I don't know why I started telling you all my sob stories.
Listen, doctor does not only heals the body, but also the soul.
After sharing all my problems with you, I feel so relieved. Thank you, doctor.
Not doctor. Viraj. Only Viraj.
Do you mind if we start meeting like friends?
Why not?